Hi there, this is Susie. Welcome to 7 Days of Yoga Wheel. The Yoga Wheel is an excellent prop to build upper and lower back flexibility as well as building strength. However, during this 7-day journey, we're going to be focusing mainly on building flexibility. This 7-day plan is perfect for beginners and it will be a safe practice. However, here are a few things you should watch out for. First of all, if you feel any pain, then you should just stop and maybe find a less intense stretch because you should never be feeling any pain during your practice. And second, if you don't feel comfortable dropping your head, then feel free to simply keep your chin tucked. And if you feel like the wheel is hurting your back, then you might want to place a blanket over your wheel. Now, if you're ready, roll your mat, grab your wheel, and let's get started. Let's begin our practice in a seated position. Sit at the top of your mat so you have room to roll back. Place the wheel behind your back and lie back on your wheel so it sits tightly. Play with the positioning until you find a comfortable spot and lean back. You can keep your thumbs in the wheel or place your palms over the mat by your sides. Now feel free to close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly out. Breathe in and out. One more deep breath in. And slowly release. Now place your feet over the mat, bending from the knees, and placing your thumbs in the wheel or keeping them on the mat. Roll back, lifting your hips up. And slowly lower down. Inhale, rolling back. And exhale down. As you roll back, keep your chin tucked in to protect your neck and exhale down. Let's take a few more. Rolling back. If you don't feel comfortable on the wheel, as I said before, feel free to cover it with a blanket. And move with your breath. Inhale, rolling back. And exhale, rolling forward, grounding the hips down. Inhale back, exhale, come down. Let's take a few more. One more deep breath in, rolling back. And breath out, rolling down. Now bring the soles of your feet together for butterfly pose, keeping the wheel behind you. Make sure it's sitting tightly. And lift your arms up, bringing your palms together. And exhale, lower down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale down. And slowly lower down. Come on your knees, keeping the wheel in front of you. Sitting your hips over your heels. Place your fingers in the wheel and your thumbs on the outside. And begin to roll the wheel forward. And lift your hips up so your hips come over your knees as you roll the wheel forward. Sinking your chest into the mat. Slowly come back, sitting your hips over your heels. Now we're going to repeat this a few more times. Your fingers are in the wheel. Begin to roll forward, bringing your hips over your knees. Pressing your armpits into the mat and back. Inhale, rolling forward. Exhale, rolling back. Inhale forward. Roll forward as much as you like until you feel a stretch in the upper back. And rolling back. Forward. Coming back. One more, rolling forward. And slowly come back. Now place your hands on top of the wheel and sink your chest down into the mat. Rest your forehead on the mat, or if you have a blanket or a block, maybe on one of those. Keeping your hands on the wheel, extending your arms straight. Feeling the stretch across your spine. Slowly rise up and place the wheel on the right side of the mat and lie on your back. Place your right foot over the wheel, bending from the knee. Place your hands at the base of your skull and extend your left leg straight. Now draw your right knee into your chest. Lift your left leg off the ground slightly and extend your right leg, drawing your left knee into your chest. Inhale, draw your right knee into your chest, extending the left, and exhale, draw your left knee into your chest, extending the right. Inhale right, exhale left. Inhale right, keeping the lower back grounded, and exhale left. Inhale right, exhale left. Let's take two more. Inhale right, and exhale left. One more to go. And release your feet down. Now coming up, place the wheel on the left side of the mat and lie back, placing your left foot over the wheel, bending from the knee. Draw your left knee into your chest, extending the right, and slowly draw your right knee into your chest, extending the left. Inhale left, exhale right. Let's take a few more. Move with your breath and keep your lower back grounded at all times. One more. Inhale left and exhale right, and release both of your feet down. Coming up, find a seat, placing the wheel behind your back. And ground your feet over the mat, bending from the knees. Thumbs are in the wheel. And roll back, keeping the chin tucked in. And down. Back. And down. Rolling back. Coming down. One more roll back. Now drop your head down, letting it hang. If this doesn't feel good to you, just feel free to keep your chin tucked in. If you feel comfortable, allow your body to drape down, Extend your legs or keep them bent, whichever feels best. Make sure you feel no pain, just a nice gentle stretch across your spine. And begin to relax. Maybe bring the crown of your head over the mat if that feels good. Now, to come out of this pose, keep your head hanging and slowly lower the hips down first. Whilst your hips touch the ground, lower your chin down. All right, now roll back one more time and bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to open to the sides. Place your hands over the mat or keep them in the wheel, whichever feels best. And slowly lower the hips down. Inhale, rolling back. And exhale, down. As you lower down, feel the stretch in your hip flexors. Inhale back. And exhale, lower the hips down. Coming back. Lowering down. One more, rolling back and slowly down. Come on your knees, keeping the wheel in front of you. We're gonna end our practice in child's pose. Roll the wheel forward and rest your hands over the wheel, opening your knees as wide as your mat. And sinking your chest low into the mat. You can rest your head over your blanket or block if you have any. If not, simply rest your head over the mat, keeping your arms extended. And begin to relax, concentrating on your breath. Slowly rise up whenever you feel ready. That's it for day one. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye!